Monday.com Groups tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to form a group in Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into your account. And once when you log in, you will be redirected to this home page. And then you need to open any board that you're working on. So I'm going to open this board. So grouping is very important if you need to organize your data and segregate it according to what you want in order to bring more efficiency to the group and consume more data and save more time. So if you group in a board, your work is going to be much faster and you are going to get the data much faster. So how to form a group here on Monday.com? Once when you're working on your board, you can click here on group by, and then you can group by multiple factors. Now, what are those factors? Let's see. You can group by the status. I'm going to see what happens if we group the board by the status. So here you go. We have grouped it by status and it has segregated every data according to the status. Now, those works or those tasks which are done, they are grouped here as done. You can see right here. And those, I would say, works or items or tasks that are still under the process, they are segregated as working on it. The ones that are stuck, they're right here under stuck. And those which are not even started, they are grouped as not started. So this is how you group via the status. Now, if you want to save this, you can just click as save as new view, or if you want to change it and group according to priority, you can also just, let me tell you one more thing. You can also group according to ascending or descending orders if that's important to you. Now, moving on, you can also group according to how critical the task is. So if you need to know how much critical the task is, you can group according to the priority. Here you go. I've prioritized according to the priority and it has been grouped according to the priority. So you see, when the work is very important, when the task is very important, you can prioritize according to the priority. So that's how you group by a priority, and you can also group by the due date when the task is, I would say, due. So today is 18 March. Here you go. Tomorrow, 19 March, and the task that was pending on yesterday and still not done, you can see right here. How informative grouping can get, you can see from here. And without the date, here you go. So I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.